Hello students, let us continue the revision of quadratic equations. We had solved till second question. These are short answer type 2. Now the third question, we need to solve for x. 2 by 2x minus 3 equal to 1 by x minus 2, where x is not equal to 0, not equal to 2 by 3 and also not equal to 2. So this gives me a hint that root should not be one of these three. So let's solve this. To solve, we need to take the LCM. What I do is I'll take the LCM of the left hand side denominators. It is x times of 2x minus 3. When LCM is taken, we'll be having 2x minus 3 plus 2x, which is equal to 1 by x minus 2. Let us simplify this, then let's cross multiply. Upon simplification, we get 4x minus 3 divided by 2x square minus 3x equal to 1 by x minus 2. Now let us cross multiply. We'll be getting x minus 2 times 4x minus 3 equal to 2x square minus 3x. Upon multiplying, we get 4 times x square. This becomes minus 8x. One more minus 3x will be there, so minus 11x minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6 equal to 2x square minus 3x. Further, this will be simplified as 2x square minus 8x plus 6 equal to 0. We can divide throughout the equation by 2. Therefore, the equation becomes x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Now it is splitting the middle term. The product, you must get it as positive 3 and the sum you have to get it as negative 1. So the possibility is we'll take minus x and minus 3 so that the product becomes positive 3 and the sum becomes negative 4. So x common, x minus 1 minus 3 common, x minus 1 equal to 0. In the next step, we have x minus 1 common, x minus 1 time of x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, the values of x are 1 and 3. Therefore, 1 and 3 are the roots. Let's move on to question 4. Solve the quadratic equation for x. X square plus a by a plus b plus a plus b by a times x plus 1 equal to 0. Here it's a bit tricky. You just observe. I'll multiply this x to both these terms, so I get x square plus a by a plus b times x plus a plus b by a times x plus 1. Look at the first two terms. There is x common, so x plus a by a plus b will remain. Plus, here is very important step. What I do is I will take a plus b by a as common. So here x will remain. Now this part is very important. This will be the reciprocal, a by a plus b equal to 0. Because upon multiplying, we will be getting the previous step back. Let me change the color and show you. If you multiply this, you'll get this term upon multiplication. If this is multiplied to this, you'll be getting 1, because a plus b by a multiplied to a by a plus b, both the numerator and the denominator, they get cancelled. You'll be getting 1. Look at this, a and a will get cancelled, a plus b and a plus b will get cancelled, it will become 1. So this is a very important and crucial step. Now it becomes very easy. There is x plus a by a plus b common. You will be left out with x plus a plus b by a, which is equal to 0. Now each term, each of these linear expression can be equated to 0. Thus the roots are x equal to negative a by a plus b and negative a plus b by a. These are the roots. This step is a very important and crucial step. Understood? Question number 5. 1 upon x minus 1 time of x minus 2 plus 1 upon x minus 2 multiplied to x minus 3 equal to 2 by 3, where x is not equal to 1, 2 and 3. Here the best possible way to solve is to take the LCM. So let me take the LCM. LCM is the product x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Now here we have x minus 1, x minus 2. So what should be multiplied here? It should be x minus 3. Plus, on the similar note, x minus 1 should be multiplied, which is equal to 2 by 3. Now, I will simplify the numerator. The numerator will be 2x minus 4. 2x minus 4, there is 2 common. So let me write it as 2 times x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 2 by 3. Can you observe there is one term which will get cancelled? X minus 2 and x minus 2, they get cancelled. Therefore, we will be left out with 2 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 3, which is equal to 2 by 3. Here, once again you observe there is 2 present in the numerators. So these reciprocals must be equal. So I will write it as x minus 1 time of x minus 3 equal to 3. Now let's multiply this. We will be getting x square. This will become negative 4x plus 3, which is equal to 3. Once again observe, this 3 will get cancelled. You will be getting x square minus 4x equal to 0. In the next step, I will take x common. X minus 4 equal to 0. This implies either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 4. These are the roots. Question 6. Solve for x. Root 3 times of x square minus 2 root 2 times x minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. Here, observe the sum and the product. Here, the sum is minus 2 root 2 and the product is root 3 multiplied to minus 2 root 2. So, root 3 to root 3. This will become negative 6. So when do we get negative 6 as a root and the sum is negative 2 root 2? If I consider negative 3 root 2 and add root 2, I'll be getting the sum as negative 2 root 2. Same way, if I multiply minus 3 root 2 times root 2 into root 2 becomes 2. 2 multiplied to 3 will be 6. So negative 6 we get. So middle term should be written as minus 3 root 2 times x plus root 2 times of x minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. Let me group. Here, very important thing is 3 is a root 3 into root 3, 2 is root 2 into root 2. Therefore, I will take a root 3x as common, x minus, here a root 3 will remain, and to root 2, finally a root 6 will remain, plus root 2 is common, x remains, minus, here from 2, root 2 is taken out, so root 2 remains, a root 2 into root 3 is root 6 equal to 0. X minus root 6 is common, root 3x plus root 2 will remain, therefore the roots are root 6 or negative root 2 by root 3. Here, which is the most important step? This step is the most important step because you should know that root 2 multiplied to root 2 is 2, root 3 multiplied to root 3 is 3. So from 3, one of the root 3 will remain, from 2, one of the root 2 will remain. Question 7. Solve for x. 2x square plus 6 root 3x minus 60 equal to 0. Here, all the terms, they are the multiples of 2. I would like to divide throughout the equation by 2. So, it becomes x square. The 6 root 3 will become 3 root 3x minus 30 equal to 0. Here the sum is 3 root 3 and the product is negative 30. Suppose if I consider 5 root 3 and 2 root 3, if I subtract 2 root 3 from 5 root 3, I'll get 3 root 3. What if I multiply these two? 5 multiplied to 2 is minus 10. Root 3 multiplied to root 3 is 3. So it becomes negative 30. So this is how you have to guess this. This step is very important. So x square plus the middle term, I'll write it as 5 root 3 times of x minus 2 root 3 times of x minus 30 equal to 0. In the first two terms, there is x common, so x plus 5 root 3 minus, I will take 2 root 3 common. If 2 root 3 is taken out, minus the product, I know it is 30, therefore 5 root 3 will remain. So plus 5 root 3 equal to 0. Now in the next step, there is x plus 5 root 3 common. You'll be left with x minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. Therefore, the value of x are minus 5 root 3 or positive 2 root 3. These are the roots. So this step to guess the numbers is very crucial. Question number 8. Solve for x. X square plus 5x minus a square plus a minus x equal to 0. Here it becomes very difficult when you consider the sum and the product because it's there in terms of a. So what to do? Let me use quadratic formula. Suppose if I use quadratic formula here, x will be equal to, the formula is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Upon using this formula, I'll get minus 5 plus or minus root of b square is 25 minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into negative a square plus a minus 6 divided by 2a. 2a is 2 times 1. So finally x will be negative 5 plus or minus root of 25. This minus of minus will become plus 4 times a square plus a minus 6 divided by 2. Let me take the inside bracket and simplify. I will take it here. So it is 25 plus 4a square plus 4a minus 24. 6 4s are 24. So I'll get 4a square plus 4a plus 1, sorry, minus 1 or plus 1 plus 1. So this is 2a whole square plus the last term is 1 square. The middle term is 2 times of 1 into 2a. So it is like a plus b whole square, 2a plus 1 whole square. So this complete thing which is there in the bracket is nothing but 2a plus 1 whole square. So let me write inside the bracket as negative 5 plus or minus root of 2a plus 1 whole square divided by 2. Therefore, the value of x is minus 5 plus or minus 2a plus 1 upon 2. Therefore, the x value is, it becomes 2a minus 4 by 2 or minus 2a minus 6 divided by 2. So x value is a minus 2 or minus of a plus 3. These are the roots. This question is very important because you should know to solve this. Once this part is obtained, it becomes easy to solve. Question number 9. Solve for x square minus of 2b minus 1 time of x plus b square minus b minus 20 equal to 0. Here we are not getting, if you take sum and the product. So the preferable method is to use the quadratic formula. If you use the quadratic formula, we have to substitute in this minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. I am using the capital letters because small letter b is used in the question, so better not to get confused. I have considered as capital letter. If you substitute minus b, it is minus of minus 2b minus 1. This is minus b plus or minus root of b square is 2b minus 1 whole square. If you consider negative or not, the value remains same because it is squared. Minus 4 times of a value is 1, c value is b square minus b minus 20 divided by 2a, which is only 2 because 2 multiplied to 1. So x will be equal to, this will be positive 2b minus 1 plus or minus root of, we need to expand this. Let me expand. This will become 4b square plus 1 minus 4b. Here minus 4 should be multiplied. Minus 4b square, minus of minus is plus 4b, minus of minus is plus 80. Divided by 2. Observe this term 4b square and negative 4b square will get cancelled. Minus 4b and plus 4b will get cancelled. Here we have 80, here we have 1, the sum becomes 81. Root of 81 is 9. So x value is 2b minus 1 plus or minus 9 divided by 2. So 2b minus 1, I'll take plus 1 by 2, 1 plus 9 by 2, or 2b minus 1 minus 9 by 2. Here it becomes 8. 2b plus 8 divided by 2, upon simplification it becomes only b plus 4. Here it becomes negative 10, so b minus 10. These are the roots. This step is important step. You should not forget to cancel the terms here. Question 10. 16 by x minus 15 upon x plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Here I'll take variables towards one side, constant towards the other side, and then try to simplify. So 16 by x minus 15 by x plus 1 equal to 1. Upon taking LCM, it becomes 16x plus 16 minus 15x divided by x times of x plus 1 equal to 1. Here observe 16x minus 15x is only x. So x plus 16. X plus 16 will be equal to x square plus x. Further, x square minus 16 will be equal to 0. The reason is here we have x getting cancelled. So x square will be equal to 16. X will be equal to plus or minus root of 16. So x value is positive 4 or negative 4. Let us solve two more questions before completing today's session. Let me take question 11. X minus 1 whole square minus 5 times of x minus 1 minus x equal to 0. Here it's not in a standard form of a quadratic equation, so best thing is expand, then multiply, then simplify. So upon expansion, I'll be getting x square, positive 1, negative 2x, negative 5x, positive 5, negative 6 equal to 0. So x square, here you observe both are negative, so minus 7x, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 minus 6 is 0, so we get x common, x minus 7 equal to 0, therefore the value of x is either 0 or 7. This will be the last question for this session. Solve for x 4 by 3 minus 3 equal to 5 by 2x plus 3. Here there is a mistake in the question. It's not 4 by 3, it is 4 by x. Let's simplify now. I will take variables towards one side and the constant to the other. Upon taking LCM, 4 should be multiplied to 2x plus 3 minus 5x equal to 3 times x multiplied to 2x plus 3. I have cross multiplied. Further it becomes 8x plus 4 3s are 12 minus 5x equal to 3x multiplied to 2x is 6x square. 3x multiplied to 3 is positive 9x. So 6x square, this will be 3x. Upon transposing, you'll be left with 6x minus 12 equal to 0. Throughout, you can take 6 as common and transpose it, or else divide both the side by 2. You'll be getting equation as x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. The product is 2 and the sum is positive 1. So x square minus 2x, sorry, plus 2x minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Now x common x plus 2 minus 1 common x plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore x value will be 1 or negative 2. So that's all for today's session. We shall continue with some more questions of quadratic equations in the next session. Thank you.